In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Custom Awakening in Saitama Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, one of the game passes available in Saitama Battlegrounds is the Awakening Outfit 1. This allows you to use a different outfit when you go into your Awakened mode. So, you will be able to customize this outfit, and in order to do this, you actually need to leave the experience. So you need to go over to the Avatar Editor. For this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do it inside of the Roblox launcher. However, you can also do the exact same thing on the website if you prefer. Just go over to your Avatar Editor page, and if you are doing this on the launcher, you have to go over to Customize. In here, you will be able to see the creations by default. This is what we're looking for. So as you can see, I already made some Awakening outfits as an example. So first, if you don't have any outfits here, just click this sign here, and you will be able to create a new one. So save as new, and you will be able to name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name this Awakening 3, just as an example. Now it should appear on the list. Once you have it here, make sure that it is highlighted, meaning that you have selected it, and you will be able to customize it however you prefer. So now you can go ahead and equip what you want to use when you go into your Awaken mode. Now, sadly, I don't have a lot of customization pieces, so I'm just going to try to look for some random stuff here to demonstrate this with, but basically, you just pick whatever it is that you want to use, and once you have selected every single piece that you want to have, when you go into your Awakened form, you can go back into Characters and then Creations, and you will see it here again. Now, you just need to update this one. So you will be able to update an existing character and then choose the one that you have made. Once you update it, you should see the actual thumbnail switch indicating that the outfit is now saved. So you can have a bunch of different Awakening outfits. You can even have a standard one. Once you have the Awakened outfits here, remember to update them by clicking Update Existing Character, and now you can go back inside of Saitama Battlegrounds. Once you have done this and you go back inside of the experience, if you have the game pass, you will be able to use your new Awakening outfit. Sadly, I don't have the game pass on this account, so I won't be able to demonstrate it, but it's as simple as creating the outfits as you saw on the customization page, and they are going to appear when you go into the Awakening outfit menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Custom Awakening in Saitama Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.